Hey, it's Amy Scott Grant, Spiritual Ass Kicker. Welcome back to part 3 of How to Stop Feeling Nervous. All right, now this one is a little bit preemptive. Okay, I'm not going to lie. Like, you got to do this one instantly as soon as that nervousness crops up. And you may have to remind yourself of this 2 or 3 times before you actually do it. Okay, are you ready? So tip number 3 is yank. Like, just rip off the Band-Aid. Because guess what? The longer you delay in doing this thing that makes you nervous, the bigger the nervousness grows. It's annoying, but there's definitely a correlation. So if you put it off all day, you're going to be a train wreck by the end of the day, or God forbid, all week. Oh my God, come Friday, I wouldn't be surprised if you hadn't made yourself sick over this thing. Right? As opposed to, it's like, oh, I'm kind of nervous. Okay, I'm going to do it right now. That's one thing that like successful people do, right? They train themselves to do what they don't want to do. But it's a way to alleviate nervousness, because this thing that's making you nervous, if you just rip off the Band-Aid and do it, then you don't have to feel nervous anymore, because that nervousness is just going to grow and fester and snowball until it's completely out of control. So I wish I had like some, quick trick or hypnosis or something to get you to do it. But honestly, it's just a question of will. It's strictly, I don't mean like my friend Will, who's cool. He's a healer and a landscaper. No. I mean, Will, like willpower. I know. Shh, don't say you don't have willpower. I know. No one does. No, some people do, but like 20% of the population. But you have to have your human design done to know whether you're actually one of those people that has willpower or not. I don't, okay? I don't, but I'm telling you, it's like the pain of that nervousness becoming overwhelming and just freaking huge is enough to make me say, oh, hell no, let's get this over with. Like, I don't want to do it, but I also don't want to suffer all day or all week. Let's just do it, right? So, it's a matter of will. It's strictly mind over matter. So you just have to suck it up, buttercup, and go, okay, I'm just going to do it. Bam. And then guess what? Bye-bye nervousness. All gone. It has an interesting side effect too. I will tell you, there's like this sort of little bonus effect that happens. The more that you do that, the more that you just rip off that Band-Aid and you go, oh, I'm really nervous. I don't care. I'm doing it anyway. Let me just do it before I lose my nerve. Boom. And it happens. The more that you do that, the more that it actually builds your confidence and the more courageous you can be the next time, which means it takes longer for you to get nervous because you're not like sort of getting high off this nervousness that goes on for all day or days or a week or whatever. But it actually helps you to be more bold. Now, if you don't know why I have this word bold back here, this is my boom word for 2018, like my personal boom word. And I actually am offering these custom paintings for sale. So if you want your boom word like all fancied up like that, so you can have it as a constant reminder for you. Check out a link. I'll put a link in the description. But I was going to show you another one that I did recently that says equilibrium, because that was someone else's word. And it came out totally different. It's like blue and purple and like really elegant and scripted. And yeah, because the font, like the style is hand painted. It's not like a font like I typed it in. It's hand painted. But the style has to go with the word, right? Right. Okay, enough procrastinating, because I know you're watching these videos and you're like, okay, let me just watch more. No, just go rip off the Band-Aid and do it. And I'll be back in number 4 in this series. But if you go do it now, whatever you're nervous about, you won't even need number 4. Okay? So go do it. You can do it. All right. Tell me all about it. Post a comment. I'll see you in the next video.